Now let's move on to example number 6. Let G and H be the functions defined by g of s equal cosine pi over 2s plus 2 and h of s equal s squared plus 3. If f is a function that satisfies g of s less than equal to f of s less than equal to h of s for s in the domain -1 to 5, right? So you don't have to worry about this one. This is just the domain, right? What is the limit of function f of s when s approaches 0? This is what you need to worry, right? So you have f of s less than equal to h of s, right? But h of s equals s squared plus 3, right? Greater than or equal to g of s, right? G of s equal this one. So just copy this one down. So cosine of pi over 2 s plus 2, right? Now, I need to take the limit when s approaches 0, 3 sides, right? So I have limit of this one when s approaches 0. Now you can do direct substitution, right? So substitute 0 for s into this expression, right? So you have cosine 0 equals 1, 1 plus 2 equals 3, less than equal to limit of f of s when s approaches 0, less than equal to, substitute 0 over here, it's going to be 3, right? So this guy equal 3, this guy equal 3, then by the Squeeze Theorem, the answer for this guy must be 3, right? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.